Chapter 11 Printing Worksheets in Excel 2016. The screen displays the information only as long as the computer is on. Therefore, sometimes it is convenient to have a printout of the worksheet. The printout is also called a hard copy. There are certain steps to be taken for a worksheet to be printed. Setting up the page. For selecting the desired page layout, choose the Page Layout tab from Page Setup. Click on the arrow in the Page Setup group. The Page Setup windows appears. The Page tab. This tab is used to set up the page orientation, scaling, paper size and print quality. As given on the screen, we can change the orientation to portrait or landscape. If the matter doesn't fit into a page, we can reduce the size. This is called scaling. We can set the paper size in any format such as A4, letter, legal, etc. The print quality depends on the printer. The Margin tab. Notice how this page has a blank border all around. The Margin tab helps us to set the header, footer, top, right, bottom and left margins of the page. The header, footer. The header is a line of the text that is added at the top of every printed page, for example, the title of a book or chapter name. The footer is a line of the text added at the bottom of every printed page, for example, the page number. We can also insert the date, time, and other information such as a logo. These can be arranged to the left, center or right of the page. Printing the worksheet. A print area can be set by selecting the desired range of cells. Go to right-click, go to Select Set Print Area. Print Preview. It is used to display an image of the page before you print it. It shows how a worksheet will look when you print it on paper. 1. This will help you to make last-minute changes or adjustments in your worksheets. 2. Select the worksheets you want to preview. 3. Click File, and then click Print to display the preview window and printing options. You can see the next, previous, zoom, print, setup, margins, preview and close buttons on the Print Preview tab on the preview window. Printing. To print the worksheet, click on File on menu bar, go to Print, and click on Print button.